Hello, dear students. Thank you for joining me. Are you excited to learn something new? Let's get started. Today we will be doing air sound. Air, air. Air is a trigraph and letter A, I, R together make the sound air. Air, hair. Air, fair. Air, E, fairy. Air, chair. Air, pear. Air, E, dairy. Air, stairs. Air, repair. Air, unfair. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.